how to fix stuttering and lag in the Elder Scrolls Ramen 4, Oblivion Remastered. Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to run stuttering and lag in the Elder Scrolls run buttery smooth, even if you're not rocking a high-end gaming rig. We're skipping all the in-game settings and going straight into the system tweaks that make a real difference. So if you're tired of the lag, let's fix it. First up, right-click on the game's exe file. Hit Properties and go to the Compatibility tab. You'll want to check Disable Full Screen Optimizations. This prevents Windows from interfering with how the game handles full screen and can help smooth out performance. Now click on Change High DPI Settings. In the pop-up, check Override High DPI Scaling Behavior and set it to Application. This forces the game to manage its own scaling instead of letting Windows handle it, which makes it look and run cleaner, especially on high-res displays. After that, head over to your system settings and search for Graphics Settings. Here, scroll down and turn on Optimizations for windowed games. Even if you're not playing in windowed mode, this can improve how Windows handles your game's rendering in the background. It's not a magic fix, but on many systems, this gives a smoother gameplay experience. Alright, let's go a little deeper, still simple stuff. In that same graphics settings panel, click on Browse, add your Oblivion exe, and once it's added, click Options. Set it to High Performance, so your system always uses the dedicated GPU instead of integrated graphics. Now we're going to make sure your system has enough breathing room. Search for Advanced System Settings. And under the Performance section, click Settings. Go to the Advanced tab and under Virtual Memory, click Change. Uncheck Automatically Manage and set a custom size. Use a value that's around 1.5 to 3 times your RAM. So if you've got 8 GB of RAM, try 12288 for both initial and max size. And that's it. With all these tweaks, Oblivion Remastered should run a lot smoother. You'll notice less lag, quicker load times, and way more consistent frame rates without touching any in-game sliders. If this helped, drop a like, maybe even subscribe for more fixes like this. Catch you in the next one.